Welcome to the Long Road with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And this is our recipe of the week, which is
Filet mignon with a garlic herb butter sauce.
All right, well, let's get to it. All right, so we've got our steaks prepared here. They've been sitting out for about 30 minutes to bring them close to room temperature. You got to have 2 tablespoons of oil. We're using avocado oil. That's the second tablespoon there.
You can use olive oil. That's a good one.
Yeah, whatever you want to use. So then we're going to put it on high. And we're going to put some butter in there. Alright, so to prepare your steaks, you want to let them sit out for about 30 minutes. Kind of get close to room temperature so that they sear pretty well and they bake pretty well. You want to get some, you want to salt them just with salt and pepper. That's all you want really on a steak for the most part. Yeah, I'll watch Robert everybody. So you just kind of salt and pepper those a little bit. Sure. It's got an IQ of 0. I will not let it beat me.
Joel seems to be having some problems with the salt container.
We're going to get that on both sides. Salt and pepper those real good. All right. While that's going on, your butter and everything is over here melting. Mm-hmm. And you want to get that up to a good hot temperature so you can sear these steaks on both sides.
Oh, and we do apologize if you are hearing anything in the background. We do have the microwave running, and it's right above our head. So, but also, after you sear it, you are going to put it in the oven. So you need your oven preheated to 400 degrees.
And these call for 8-ounce steaks.
Oh. See? Microwave. Okay. Anyway.
These call for 8-ounce steaks. We have probably 6-ounce steaks. So it says it goes 7 to 8 minutes in the oven at 400 degrees. So we're probably going to cook them at 5 to 6 minutes and see where they are after that. Because
yeah, we bought a filet mignon like tenderloin from Bravo when they had their grand opening, and then cut them into steaks. That's why they're not quite 8-ounce steaks, because we had to work with what size the tenderloin was. Okay.
All right, so we're just about here. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Looking good. Once the foam, the foam on the butter starts kind of settling down a little bit, that's when you know it starts crackling like that. You know you really got a good hot skillet there. And so you're just gonna take them and like that. You want to set that timer for me? No, right over there. My stopwatch.
What am I setting it for?
Just let it go.
Okay. Sorry if that was bad shot.
We're just going to get a good sear on those for about 2 minutes. So now we're going to flip them. You want a good char on that side right there. Woo. And we're going to let that go.
Looks good.
We'll let that go for about a minute. Alright, so when you got a good sear on them, you're going to take them and we're going straight into the oven. Like that.
One of the best parts of an iron skillet is that ability to put it in the oven.
Yep. And so we're going to go at 5, kind of see where they are after that.
Okay, so now tell them what you're doing.
Sorry, so we're going to do a little butter sauce kind of thing.
Garlic and herb
butter thing. And so it's a tablespoon of crushed rosemary, tablespoon of thyme, Okay. And then your garlic.
Sorry for that sound. Okay, and I think you after you mix it, we have to wrap it in wax paper, saran wrap. Okay.
So you want to let your butter soften for about 30-45 minutes probably to kind of get it good and soft.
Yeah, so that you can do
So
that.
you can mix it real well like this. Alright, so that's good and mixed right there. We're going to get some plastic wrap. We're going to wrap it up. We'll take it like this.
Man, Shanique, move to that side. Same thing when I do it.
Alright, so we're going to put it like this. We're going to just glob it down like that. Woo. And we're going to wrap it. And wrap it again. And we'll see if I can do this like they did on the video. Like that. Boom. Kind of wrap it around like that. And into the refrigerator. Alright, we're going to take these out. And then we'll check them for the temperature.
There's different temperatures according to whether you want, you know, medium or rare or something, or well done, stuff like that. I think we would want to go with medium well. That is our normal for steak. Though with a filet mignon, you probably don't want to overcook it. A well done might really take a lot of the juices out, and that's kind of, a filet mignon is usually very tender.
That's still pretty rare, so we're gonna go in for, maybe it does need to go the full 8 minutes. So.
Okay, checking the temp again. What's your temp that you're trying to get it to?
For medium well, you want it somewhere around 150, 155.
Okay, but did it say anything about like letting it rest or anything?
Yeah, but you want it at that temperature before you
let it rest. Okay. So we're gonna have to put it back in for,
I don't know, a couple more minutes probably.
Okay, how's it looking this time?
Yeah, these are
right at what we need it to be.
Yeah.
So we're going to let them rest for
about 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Okay. Actually, we've missed one step. We just weren't thinking about it. But we're supposed to put some of the garlic herb butter on top of the little steaks, like so, right before they rest, so that, you know, all that goodness gets all melted down into the steak, right? Right. So
while we baste our already done steaks with the pan juices, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for updates when we post videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and sometimes on the weekend. Comment below if you tried this recipe, if you're going to try it, or if you tried any of our recipes. Also tag us on Instagram with that as well, and let us know that too. Right?
Yep.
All right. So I think that's going to do it today for the Long Rub with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And don't forget, it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.